You know what I've noticed? You don't actually lack English, you lack repetition.
It doesn't feel like that. It feels like I don't know enough.
If that were true, you wouldn't understand English movies. You wouldn't scroll English Instagram. You wouldn't understand me right now. The problem isn't knowledge. The problem is you don't use your voice daily. And confidence is built by usage, not by watching.
But when I speak, I feel small.
That's because you measure yourself while speaking. You're judging every sentence. You're correcting yourself mid sentence. You're thinking, how do I sound? Instead of thinking, what do I want to say? Confident people don't speak perfectly. They speak freely. There's a difference.
So how do I change that?
You stop treating English like an exam, and you start treating it like a workout. Do you go to the gym once and expect transformation? No, you go daily, even when you don't feel like it. Speaking works the same way 30 minutes daily. Not mentally preparing, not watching, speaking out loud every day.
What if I don't know what to say?
You always know what to say. You just think it's not good enough. Talk about your day. Talk about what annoyed you. Talk about what you want in life. Talk about that person who inspired you. Confidence grows when your voice becomes familiar to you. Right now, your own voice feels unfamiliar in English. That's why it feels uncomfortable,
I never thought about it like that.
because you were focused on grammar. Let me tell you something important. Grammar does not create confidence. Volume creates confidence. Repetition creates confidence. Expression creates confidence. You know what destroys confidence? Silence. Silent learners stay stuck. Speaking learners grow.
But some people just sound natural.
No, they sound natural because they practiced in private. You see confidence on stage. You don't see practice in the room. You see fluency in public. You don't see broken sentences in private. Every fluent speaker has an embarrassing phase. The only difference? They didn't quit during it.
So you're saying I just need to speak daily?
Not just. You need disciplined daily speaking. There's power in daily repetition. Imagine this. For 30 days, every single day, you speak for 30 minutes. No skipping, no excuses. That's 900 minutes. 900 minutes of training your brain. Do you think you'll sound the same after that? No chance. Confidence compounds.
But what if I feel awkward?
You will. Growth always feels awkward. The first time you ride a bicycle, you shake. The first time you drive, your hands sweat. The first time you speak confidently, your heart races. And then it becomes normal. Your fear is not a signal to stop. It's a signal that you're stretching.
Sometimes I compare myself to others.
That's your biggest mistake. Compare practice hours, not skill level. Ask yourself, did I speak today? Did I train today? Did I improve 1% today? That's it. Confidence is not built in comparison, it's built in consistency.
What if people judge me?
Let them. People judge anyway. If you stay silent, they judge. If you speak broken English, they judge. If you become fluent, they still judge. So choose growth, not comfort, because comfort keeps you quiet. Growth makes you powerful.
I want to walk into a room and not feel inferior.
Then earn that feeling through daily speaking, not wishing, not overthinking, not waiting. Do you know what changes your personality? Action. When you speak daily, something shifts inside you. Your posture changes, your tone becomes steady. You stop apologizing for your voice. That's transformation.
So confidence isn't about sounding advanced?
Number, confidence is about sounding certain. You can say, I don't know, confidently, and it sounds powerful. You can say, I am still learning, confidently, and it sounds mature. But if you whisper perfect grammar, it sounds weak. Energy matters more than vocabulary.
I think I've been waiting to feel ready.
You'll never feel ready. You feel ready after action, not before it. Start messy, start slow. Start with simple words, but start daily, 30 minutes, every single day. Your future confident version is built in those 30 minutes.
And if I skip one day?
Then start again the next day. No drama, no guilt, but no long breaks. Consistency beats motivation. You won't always feel inspired, but you can always show up. And when you show up daily, your brain adapts, your tongue adapts, your identity adapts.
So if I speak daily, confidence will follow.
It's impossible for it not to. Repetition removes fear. Familiarity removes hesitation. Action removes doubt. And daily speaking creates familiarity.
I think I understand now.
Good. Then say this out loud. I speak daily.
I speak daily.
Again, stronger.
I speak daily.
And what happens when you speak daily?
I grow daily.
Exactly. Not perfect daily. Growing daily. That's enough. 1 year from now, you won't remember this conversation, but you will remember the habit you built. And that habit will change how you enter rooms, how you answer interviews, how you express ideas, how you see yourself 30 minutes every day. That's all it takes to transform your confidence. Not magic, not talent, daily voice training. Tomorrow, you speak again, not because you're scared, but because you're building power. If you enjoyed practicing with us, hit the like button and subscribe for more real conversations. And send this video to someone who says, I understand English, but I can't speak. Let's grow together.